explain the difference between nomenclature versus classification. Subscribe this channel for international education Swiss. If you want to study more about biology, so please go to playlists and see differences of biology. Nomenclature. Nomenclature is the formal system of naming organisms with a name composed of two parts, both of which that mainly use Latin grammatical forms. Classification. Classification is the process by which scientists organize living organisms in hierarchical series of groups and subgroups in terms of their similarities and dissimilarities. Nomenclature involves naming organisms, while classification involves organizing organisms in hierarchical series of groups. Genus and species of an organism are used to form its scientific names. There are 7 taxonomic ranks: kingdom, phylum, division, class, order, family, genus, and species.